Hey guys, today we are in Seat Leon 5F and I'm going to enable the acoustic feedback when locking and unlocking the vehicle. So over here I have OBDeleven, it's already connected to the car, and I'm going to enter a list of all modules, scroll down to module 09. Now let's go to Adaptation, and in Adaptation we are looking for channel called Acknowledgement Signals, and this controls the indicators and the horn when you lock and unlock the vehicle. And first of all we want to enable the Akustische, this is in German, Akustische Rueckmeldung Entriegeln. I believe this is for opening the car. The second thing is Akustische Rueckmeldung Verriegeln or something like this. Let's also enable it. I'm sorry because I'm butchering the German language. And this is the third channel you need to set to Kurz, which is short, from normal to short. And let's look down Menuesteuerung Akustische Rueckmeldung active. This will give us controls over the function from the infotainment display. What's else over here? Akustische Rueckmeldung global, also active, and I believe that's it. So let's slide to write this, and the unit is asking us for the security code, which is 31347. You can select it from the list. I'm not sure if you can see this over here on the video. And right now this was accepted successfully. We should check if in the car menu setup, open and close, there's a new option, acoustic confirmation. So let's enable it. And right now, with the ignition off and after closing the door, we should hear a short and double beep from the horn when you close and when you unlock the vehicle. Okay, so in the description below this video you will find more details about this procedure. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.